going to be making some breakfast tacos. But before we dive into today's recipe, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my videos. To my returning viewers, thank you for your support and your comments. They mean the world to me. So let's grab our aprons, let's get our ingredients together, and let's get started. So for our breakfast tacos, we're going to need eggs, breakfast sausage. You don't have to use spicy, you can use the regular. Green chilies, flour tortillas, onions, tomato, jalapeno, and picante salsa. So we've added our breakfast sausage to a pan that's heated up over a medium-high heat. And so we are going to cook this down and break it up. And once it's ready, we're going to add in our vegetables. All right, so our breakfast sausage is just about done. And just to let you know, in case your breakfast sausage doesn't produce much drippings, you can always add about a tablespoon of oil to this. So we are going to be adding in 1 jalapeno, half a diced onion, and 1 Roma tomato to this. And then we're going to cook this down till our onions are soft. All right, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes or so. So we're going to add in our diced chilies to this. And this is about a good large tablespoon. And so we're going to just cook this for just a minute or two. All right, so now we are going to add in our eggs. And I've got 9 eggs here that I've whisked together. Stir this around, make sure it all gets mixed up, and we're going to continue stirring till our eggs are nice and fluffy and no longer wet. Alright, so our eggs and sausage mixture is done. So we are going to get us a nice warm flour tortilla, and we're going to put a nice scoop down the middle. Then we are going to top this with just a bit of cheese. And we're going to fold this over and set this down. And we're going to make us another one. This is really a quick and simple dish to make. Literally, it may take 30 minutes. You know, most of the time you're going to spend is just, prepping your vegetables. And this can be made ahead of schedule, or ahead of time, should I say. And then you can just store it in a container in your fridge and just dole out what you need and make you a couple of tacos. There we go. I'm going to set that right there. And we're going to serve this up with a bit of salsa. We're going to have to make some room in here. I was hoping I would have room, but looks like I'm going to make a mess no matter which way I go with this. Unless we do it this way. There we go. So now we've got us some breakfast tacos. So I'm going to sit down and have me some. So just want to thank everybody for watching my video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday. And as always, remember, be nice and be kind, because it could change someone's day.